Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a Shewin clothing try on haul. So they did send all these pieces to me and I was really excited to work with them again. If you guys been watching my channel for a while now, you guys know that I've worked with them in the past before, and I decided to work with them again because I really had a great experience working with them in the past. And I have to say, I'm super excited about this haul. The prices are super affordable, very comparable to Walmart. So that's why I really love. The prices are unbeatable. So I'm gonna get right into it. But before we begin, guys, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into it because I'm so excited to show you guys these pieces. Starting off with this gorgeous white sweater right here. Got this sweater because I really love the details of it. I love white. If you guys don't know, I love white. I think white is very like crisp and clean and it makes you look very chic. And this one is such a great quality sweater. I got it, I believe, in a size medium. No, I actually got it in a small. And it's really nice and flowy. It's kind of like a nice flowy top, somewhat oversized. Now they do have them in multiple colors, but I got this one because I just thought this was beautiful. So it looks like this. Here are the sleeves. The sleeves are very unique. I just love the attention to detail. You guys know I'm all about the details. I love these little, I don't know even what they call them, but they kind of pop out. And the sleeves are just gorgeous. They're kind of like balloon sleeves. You see how they pop out? And then right here is a little bit more cinched in. I love everything about this one. It's very nice, very comfortable, not itchy, not scratchy, and it's very soft. Great quality, highly recommend. And then the next item is one of my favorites from this whole haul. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, guys. It is this beautiful baby pink jacket. You guys know I'm obsessed with jackets. This one is gorgeous. I got in a size small. I don't recommend you size up on this. This is perfect in the size small. I'm so glad I got it in this size. It is beautiful. It has real working pockets right here, and it doesn't have, actually it does. I didn't think they do. So it does have side pockets as well, which is so nice. This is very nice and soft. As you can see, it's not like stiff or anything. It's soft, it's cozy, it's thick, so it definitely keep you warm. And they do have these in multiple colors. I did get it in another color as well that I'm gonna show you right now, but I got this one because you guys know I've been saying this for like forever. My favorite colors are red and pink, so when I seen this I was like, I have to get it. It's like this beautiful light pink. It's just gorgeous. I love the fact that they use these color of buttons. I think it goes well with the color of this one. It's just gorgeous, guys. So I do recommend this. I love this one so much. So of course, like I said, I love this so much that I had to get it in this brown color. This brown color is so beautiful. And if you guys don't know, I love brown. Like, I love brown and black together, something about it. And also with this white sweater, I think that would go really well. No, they also have it in the white. This is just beautiful. This, you can open it, put whatever you want in it. Again, like I said, it has pockets. Very soft, guys. I honestly wish you guys can feel this. The quality is so good. It's nice and thick. It will definitely keep you warm. I plan on wearing this with like sweaters underneath. Most likely I'm gonna wear it with this sweater because I just think it goes so well together. It looks so gorgeous. So yes, these are like my top picks. Moving on to another jacket. This one is a little bit different than the ones I showed you. This one I love as well, but it's not as thick as the ones I just showed you. It's a little bit more thinner, but it's not thin, if you know what I mean. And it does have a hood. It's a removable hood. I forgot to close it, but basically you button it around and you can choose to have it with the hood like so, or you can take it off and just have it like without it. Just have it like this without the hood. I honestly prefer it without the hood because I just think it looks a lot better. And when I seen it online, I thought it would look really nice with the hood, but when I put it on, I prefer it without the hood. But of course it's preference, and the cool thing about it is that you can choose to have it on or off. But I really love this. I got this in a size small, and it is, again, it's like a nice oversized look, so I didn't need to size up on this whatsoever. I've been wanting something like this, and I really love the color. I think this nude brownish color is just beautiful. I love the plaid. It does have pockets in the front right here on each side. It doesn't have side pockets right here, but I don't mind it. Love this again. I just think it's gorgeous. Very soft, I would say. It's really nice and soft. It's not itchy, not scratchy, and not stiff at all. Moving on to another coat. This is more like a coat jacket, I guess. So it looks like this. I wanted to get this one in the color nude. I just think it's beautiful. So it looks like this, and it has the tie up going right here. So let me show you guys. So you tie it right here. It's a little bit more longer, and I love this nude color. I just think it's beautiful. I've been wanting a nude color like this. If you guys don't know, I'm all about like nudes, and like I said, I love red and pink, but a lot of my pieces are nude or like muted colors because I just think they go with so many of the pieces, and then you can have like a pop of color with it, you know what I mean? This is gorgeous. Again, I know it's gonna go well with the sweater, and that's why I chose it, because it will go with so many of my pieces and they all kind of work together, if you know what I mean. It does have the pockets right here. You can button it, and then it has a pocket right here. It does not have pockets on the inside, but I honestly don't mind. I think this is a great quality. Again, it's soft, it's not itchy, not scratchy, not stiff. That to me is a big deal. To me, I cannot stand if something is stiff or hard. It's, you know, itchy, it's scratchy, it's annoying, you know what I mean? Like, this is just really good. And like I said, they do come in multiple colors. One of my other favorite pieces that I got is this plaid coat style dress, and I got this one right here. So I unbutton it, but it is a coat dress, and it is gorgeous. As you guys will see me style it, it does have a belt, so I do like it belted. I do think that it makes the dress, I think it's gorgeous. So here's the belt. This is beautiful, guys. The moment I saw it, I just knew I needed this in my life. This is a beautiful baby pink with black and gray. It's actually not black, it's gray. Nude and white is just beautiful color combination. I absolutely love it. Now what I will say is I got in a size small. I do wish I sized up to a medium. Since this has no stretch, it kind of like opens up. You guys know what I mean when something's too tight, like the buttons kind of like look, it gives you that look like it's about to explode. So I do wish I got it in a medium. I should have got it in a medium, but I got it in a small, and nevertheless it does still fit me, but like I said, it's just too tight. So unfortunately I will not be able to wear it. I think I'm gonna have to get it in a size medium, because I really do love this one. Like, this one I really love, and I highly recommend. So beautiful. When you guys see it on, you guys will know what I mean. I think it's a very amazing, beautiful piece. I think it's perfect for the winter time because it will keep you warm, but it looks so chic, and honestly it looks very expensive. And this one, I would say it's super soft and cozy. It's very nice, and it's not stiff at all. Like, as you can see, it has a lot of movement, so it's not stiff whatsoever, which I love. Usually with materials like this, either I hate it or I love it. Moving on to my favorite new motorcycle faux leather jacket. It is this one right here. Guys, when I seen it online, I wasn't sure if I was gonna love it. Like, I thought it looked really nice, but I was hoping the quality is really good when I see it in person, and this does not disappoint. Now, I already have a faux leather jacket that I had for several years that I got at Forever 21 a while back, and there was always something about it that I was like, I like it, but I don't know if I love it. And I think it was just the detail of it, so I never wore it, but I decided to get this one, and I think I got it in a size small. So I got it in a size small, yes. This is my new favorite faux leather jacket. I know I'm gonna be getting rid of the one I have in my closet, and I'm gonna replace it with this. This is so good. This is what I want a faux leather jacket to look like. Everything about it is just amazing. I love the way it like flaps like this. And then it has the silver zip up right here. You can definitely close it all the way like that. But I like to leave it open. When it comes to like faux leather jackets, I love to leave it open, and it's just amazing. It's so flattering. It looks so expensive, and this is such a great quality. I was so impressed when I seen it in person. I was just like, oh my gosh, this is the perfect faux leather jacket, and I will not have to buy any other faux leather jacket ever again. Very soft, it's not stiff. I think that's another reason why I didn't like my faux leather jacket, is because it was stiff. I don't like stiff anything, I just don't. And it's uncomfortable, you know, like when you move you can feel that. This is just soft, buttery soft, very nice quality. Moving on to some fleece leggings. this has been on my wish list for a while now, and I'm really excited that I got these. So they look like this. I got them in a size small. Now they do look really tiny, but they do stretch out quite a bit, as you can see. The only thing I will say is that I do wish I got it in a medium, because the size small is still kind of tight. As you can see me style it, it does go on my body, but it's tight. Like, it's tight where there's no way I can wear them. Like, these are just way too tight for me. Unfortunately, I feel so bad. Like, why? Because these have been on my wish list. I absolutely love them. I highly recommend them. The quality is so good, guys. It does have this right here where it says fashion, but usually with leggings you don't see that. Look at this, guys. It is fleece lined. It is so good. It's very easy to put on, so you're not gonna have a hard time putting them on. Keeps you really nice and warm. Highly recommend these. I think these are a staple for the winter time, especially if you live more in the cold, freezing area. These are a must-have. If you want to look good, you love leggings, but you know, with leggings, they're the thinner ones. It's cold. You really can't wear them in the winter time. I usually wear them more towards the fall, but when it comes to the winter, I love leggings, but I like to have some fleece leggings like this. They are amazing. You gotta pick them up. Just size up, guys, because I will have to size up and get myself those in the size medium. And then last but not least, I also got these right here. These are the faux leather joggers. Oh my gosh, can I tell you how amazing these are? These are just beautiful. They do not disappoint. It has a real working drawstring. It has pockets on each side, pretty deep pockets, and then at the end it is cinched, so of course it's a jogger style. Really nice quality, very comfortable, and really nice stretch. So it's very nice and flattering to the body. I'm planning on wearing this with this sweater right here and some white sneakers, or maybe black sneakers. I don't know, we'll see. You guys let me know, should I wear with white or black sneakers? But that's kind of my look, kind of like casual chic, warm and cozy and cute, you know what I mean? And this is just really good quality as well. Very soft, very stretchy. So you don't have to worry about like, oh my gosh, is it going to be too tight on me? I don't know if it's going to work. This is just amazing. That is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.